Hi, this is Paul with EcosConnect, and this video is going to be about using the mobile app on Android. So what we intend to do is demonstrate the mapping feature on this app. And as you can see on the screen, there's some assignments, and each of these, they're in the order of the distance from the user. Now you can use Google Maps to route wherever you desire to go. You could pick one and just click on the map, and it'll take you to Google Maps. Or you can select a series of them, up to 9, and you can route them using Google Maps the most efficiently. And here it shows you the 3 stops. And just hit the start, and it'll take you to those jobs. Thanks for watching.